So yesterday was a big day. Microsoft had their press conference. They announced a bunch of brand new world premieres, but the feeling and the message around this event was that they're pushing in to cloud gaming or streaming via the cloud without even having to have an Xbox on you. This is their goal for the next 10 years, pushing people from a console to being able to play from anywhere or using any single device. And this is special because a lot of other gaming manufacturers like Sony or Google don't have the amount of studios to back them up in terms of gameplay or like game development, and they don't have as many titles as Microsoft currently has. On top of that, Microsoft is also very experienced when it comes to running a data center, their cloud technology, specifically Azure and AI. When you have all of these things playing together, it pretty much sets up a formula for cloud streaming. Now the big question though, just like the previous services that have been available before, like NVIDIA Now and Gaikai, is how well is the streaming service going to perform? Because my experiences with the other two I just mentioned was always latency. So just like movies and TV shows switching to more of a subscription service, Netflix came along, got a lot of distribution rights, started creating their own content, and became the #1 streaming platform for television. That's exactly what we're seeing right now in the gaming industry. 3 companies about to go at it for your viewership in terms of gameplay. And I think right now, Microsoft and Google present the best candidates to solve this situation. It's really gonna come down to offers the biggest game selection, the best price, and most importantly, the lowest latency. So if gaming is moving to the cloud, what is the point of Project Scarlett? More specifically, the next Xbox that's planned to come out in 2020. And the answer is very simple. 1, not everybody has access to fast internet. And for those people, having the console at home will allow them to play games competitively without having that faster bandwidth. 2, games will always become more demanding as time goes forward. With Project Scarlett supporting over 120 frames per second, high variable refresh rates, and 8K video, being able to stream that over the internet is going to require a lot of bandwidth. And I think we're still 10 to 15 years until even the entire world gets a pretty fast internet experience. So in the meantime, they still have to release these gaming consoles in order for people without that connection to be able to game with people who do. So anyways, that wraps up Project xCloud and Project Scarlett. We're moving to game streaming in the cloud. It's going to be a crazy 10 years, some ups and downs, but at the end of the day, it comes down to who does it the best and who offers the most titles. That wraps up Microsoft's E3 2019. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.